Hello, I'm SAVOX Andy. I'm in Fresno.
Hobbytown USA is an American retail hobby, collectibles, and toy store chain headquartered in Lincoln, Nebraska. There are more than 100 Hobbytown franchise stores located in 39 states in U.S. Beginning with the purchase of a local business by Merlin Hayes, Mary Hayes, and Tom Walla, Hobbytown was founded in 1980, incorporated in 1985, and began franchising in 1986. Most stores offer a full line of radio control hobbies, scale models, games, toys, educational items, paints, tools, and model railroad items. The stores also carry seasonal items such as rockets, Pinewood Derby cars, educational toys, and kites. The website for Hobbytown provides e-commerce for customers worldwide.
Here is Hobbytown. I think the biggest franchise for RC in USA. So I will show you the Hobbytown. So let's see. Okay, so we are in the Hobbytown, Fresno. So here's a gym. This gentleman, handsome guy. Okay, you can find everything in Hobbytown here, and then the tracers and all the car parts. So you can see it's all tracers car here. Here's a car, also the Horizon Hobby. Yeah, Horizon Hobby is the largest RC brand in USA. So you can find everything here. Also, if you want to buy SAVOX, here also carry the SAVOX. You can see the SAVOX SERVO. See here. And then they say will be more to come in. Also the other brand of the SERVO, motor and speed controller, and also the transmitter. Here's a SEO. SEO is a coin car. You try to look and find the airplane here. Also, airsoft is also in the WA. In Hobbytown, they also have the small track inside. That's for Mini Z, for Kyosho Mini Z. So you can play in here. It's really nice place to one-touch shop. So you can buy everything here. So welcome to Fresno and then buy the RC stuff in Hobbytown. And SAVOX will take you to everywhere to find a nice store around the world. So if you have any question, please leave the message to us. So here is on-road track. So it's just nearby the Hobbytown, not far away. And then we just check with the Hobbytown Jim and John, and then they ask us to come to here to check the on-road track here. Okay, I will show you the Fresno on-road track. And then I will show you on the stand. So here is a place for the people who need assistance. And then here is a regular stand. Okay, everyone will race in here. It's not big, but it's quite nice. So if you guys to come to the Fresno, and welcome to the on-road track and to try new car and race. Thank you for watching SAVOX video. And then we will keep go to the different track around the world, and I will show you guys. Thank you.